How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, NASA has released some updated footage of Ingenuity's fifth flight on Mars. In this newly released footage, you'll see Ingenuity traveling about 5 meters off the ground and then out to the new Airfield Bravo, in which it will conduct its new missions on Mars. This new one-way trip marks the end of the beginning and the start of Ingenuity's new responsibilities of being the scout ahead for the Perseverance rover. Ingenuity still relies on the Perseverance rover to transmit its signals back to NASA. So even though Ingenuity will scout ahead, it won't go so far to lose communication links with the Perseverance rover. And that's a good thing. Mars is a lonely place, and you never know what's going to come up behind you and stir up some trouble. For example, this dust devil that popped up just as Ingenuity was trying to land. The fun has just begun for this dynamic duo, and the Ingenuity drone has a lot more tricks up its sleeve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.